Hello all, welcome to the tutorial. I hope you all loved my last video about Lottie animation. The great news is Joomla team planning to create an add-on for Lottie integration simpler. Maybe we all can expect a new add-on in the upcoming updates. Thank you Joomla. In this video, we are going to have a look at the SP Page Builder interaction feature. To enable the interaction, you need to work with the SP Page Builder front-end editor. Interaction tab not accessible from the back-end editor. Choose an add-on and click Interaction tab. Here you can see two options. While scrolling in the view and interact on mouse movement. I will show you an example for both. For the demo, I have taken a layout bundle page preview from the Joomla website. Scroll down the page. You can see the design elements moving horizontal and vertical. Hovering the mouse, the element will tilt to forward direction or opposite direction. Latest Joomla layout bundles and templates developed with interaction feature. For more about the interaction feature, there is a blog post on Joomla website. I have added the link in the description. Let's start to learn interactions. For this tutorial, I am going to work with this design from freepik.com. The reference link added in the description. Here is a final page layout enabled with the interactions. To start with, complete the page layout as per the design. Add a section with a single column. Set to the fluid row and adjust the padding. Add an image and background color. Background repeat to horizontal, size inherits, attachment scroll and position center top. Add a heading add-on to the column. And type in the title and change font styles for the heading. Duplicate the heading add-on. Change the title and font styles. From the Style tab, enable background options to color, apply background color, enable use border and style border settings. To adjust the width of the add-on, select the Advanced tab, enable the custom add-on and give width. To make it center, set the margin left and margin right to auto. Duplicate the first heading add-on, change the title and font style. Adjust the spacing between the heading add-on. Next, create a row with a 3-column layout. Select an add-on on the page, click Parent Column option, add inner row with a 3-column layout. Or, right-click on the top of the add-on, select column, add inner row. First one for the awareness images and content, second for the social distancing image and content, and third one for the title. Add an image and text block add-on to the column. Replace the image, title, content and font styles as per the design. Clone both image and text block add-on. Move these clone add-ons to the respective 2 columns and change the image, title, content and font styles. Enable custom position of the middle column add-ons and adjust the position. Add an image add-on to the first column and replace the image. Clone the image add-on and move to the third column and replace the image. Add a text block add-on. Place the title, content and set the font styles. Add an image add-on and replace the image. Clone this text block add-on, change the title and delete the content. Now the last part of the layout. Add a heading add-on and place text and set the font style. 90% of our page layout is completed. Let's focus on interactions. To enable interactions on while scroll, choose the add-on, click the Interaction tab, enable interaction for while scrolling into view. By default, in the timeline area, a scroll action move is added at 0% and 100%. The timeline divides the viewport, that is the visible area of a web page, from 0% to 100%, where the 0% indicates the bottom of the screen, 50% indicates the middle of the screen, and 100% indicates the top. When the page scrolls down, this image needs to scale up and animate to the position. All the actions are controlled with their axis values. Here we have X, Y and Z. The X-axis refers to horizontal, Y-axis refers to vertical. The Z is the third axis which is perpendicular to the both X and Y. Add two more scroll actions. Click the plus icon, add scale and opacity. Select the move action keyframe at 0%. Change the Y-axis value to -240. Keep the transform origin X and Y-axis to center. For the scale action, change the X and Y-axis value to 0.5. Also for the opacity, slide to 0.3 for 0% and 1 for the 100%. Shifting all the action keyframes from 100% to 50%. That means the animation needs to end when the page scroll comes at the middle of the viewport. At the 100%, add a new action, move. Adjust the Y-axis value to -66. This will create a slight movement effect to the top while page scroll down. Next, interaction for the heading add-on. Enable interaction and add one more action, opacity. Select the move action keyframe at 0%. Change the Y-axis value to 43. At 100%, Y-axis to 0. Also for opacity, slide to 0 for 0% and 1 for the 100%. Shifting all the action keyframes from 100% to 30%. At the 100%, add a new action, move. Adjust the Y-axis value to -66. I am applying the same interaction values for the second and third column image and heading. As per the design, the second column image and heading needs to place slightly down. Hence, slightly adjust the values of move, scale and opacity at 0%. Interaction settings completed for the first row add-ons. Moving to the second row, both the first and third column image needs to move opposite sides. Select the first column image add-on, enable interaction. Select move action keyframe at 0%, slide X-axis to 140. At 100%, slide the X-axis to -70 and shift the action keyframe 100 to 55%. At 0%, shift the action keyframe to 20%. Repeat the same step for the third column image add-on. Here, the X-axis at 20% is -140, 50% is 270. Next, the arrow image needs to scale down at 0% and scale up at the 50%. Slide the x-axis and y-axis to 0 at 0% and 1 at the 50%. We have completed all the interaction settings. Now the last part. As per the design, there are some virus sketch images on the background. Let's add it. Drag an image add-on before the heading. Replace the image. Enable custom add-on with slide to 25. Enable custom position. Set position to absolute and x-axis to 0%. Clone the image add-on. Adjust the width and position of the image as per the design. Now I have completed the image positions. That's it. We have completed the page as per the design and added some interactions. If you all enjoyed and earned some knowledge from this tutorial, like, share and subscribe. Bye for now.